It's me, Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about the reed switch, or simply a single pole, single throw reed switch within the circuit wizard. Reed switch is just like a simple mechanical switch, except with the fact that in mechanical switch we always used to insert force with the hand, but here we have to use some magnetic field in order to move the contacts of this switch. This magnetic field can be from a fixed magnet or some iron based magnet or even some electromagnet. So how it used to work? So this is our reed switch, and we have to use an LED with it in order to check that either it's working properly or not. So we will go for our LED displays, okay, or we will go to our optoelectronics. So optoelectronics, and we will take one simple LED. Okay, this is our simple LED, one flashing LED as well. We will use them combinedly like this and this. The anode parts of the LEDs must be connected with each other, and the cathode part must be connected with each other. These arrowheads which are coming out from the LEDs are actually indicating the photons or light, because it is a light emitting diode, so that is why they always have this sign. Now we will go for our power supply and ground. So we will see it's here as 1.5 volt, but 1.5 volt maybe not good for our LEDs, so 5 volt is enough for our LEDs. Okay, we will place reed switch like this, and okay, we will do like this. Okay, now this is our circuit, that when our reed switch will become on, and then our LEDs will become on. So let's run this circuit. Okay, so now you can see that both the flashing and static red LED is on now. So yeah, so it is working. Although we are obviously we have to control it with our cursor, but our reed switch is just like will just respond to the magnetic field. So whenever it is clicked, the click is considered as the magnetic field. So here you can see that our both the LEDs are on and off as accordance with the reed switch. So hopefully you got the concept regarding how to use the reed switch within the circuit wizard. So don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for visiting our channel.